In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trix quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find and add the Trix indicator to your Tradingview chart, and you'll be ready to start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen. At the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar running horizontally. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Edit or Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply different tools to your chart. Once that window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find specific indicators without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search box and type the word Trix, spelled T-R-I-X. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the available indicators to match your search. You should now see Trix appear in the results list. This is the triple exponential moving average oscillator, a momentum indicator that traders use to identify trends and potential reversals, while smoothing out a lot of the noise in price action. When you see Trix in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the Trix indicator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the main price chart. Take a moment to look at how it appears. You'll see a line that moves above and below a center line, reflecting changes in momentum. If you want to adjust the settings, such as the length or smoothing options, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart and open the settings menu. From there, you can customize it to better fit your trading style, whether you prefer a faster, more sensitive line, or a smoother, slower one. If you find Trix helpful and you're considering upgrading your Tradingview experience, you can use the affiliate link provided in the description to check out Tradingview Pro. It gives you access to more indicators per chart, additional layouts, and other advanced features that can make your analysis more efficient. That's all there is to it. Open the indicators menu, search for Trix, click to add it, and you're ready to start exploring what this indicator can show you on your charts.